Hello investors, welcome back to Invest Money UAE. Last month, Khaleej Time reported Bluechip Group scam where representatives of the Bluechip Group company pitched investing in equity, gold mining, cryptocurrency and real estate, offering a tempting deal of 3% monthly return on minimum investment of $10,000 logged in for 18 months. However, this promise quickly turned into a nightmare as payouts suddenly stopped, leaving investors with bounced check and unanswered calls. One of them was Indian expat who lost 1 million dirhams, and some of the investors took loan against credit card or sold their property to capitalize on this opportunity. People often make risky decisions out of greed and lose their hard-earned money. They forget that every investment contains some sort of risk. Don't fall for such scheme which guarantees to give you 36% annually. Understand the risk beneath. I'm not saying you should not seek for higher returns, but remember, higher returns often comes with higher risk. So now the question arises, like, what is the good return on investment? A good return is the one which exceeds bank savings and FD interest rates and also covers inflation. For example, if UAE banks or any other risk-free assets like government bond generates 5% of return, and let's assume that in UAE inflation is 4%, then 10 to 12% annual return on any investment can be considered as a good return. So what should we do to protect ourselves from such scam schemes and from losing money? So here are a few things which you can do. First, choose registered investment advisor or licensed company in UAE. To avoid getting emotionally attached with such high return investment schemes, seek the opinion of registered investment advisor. Or if you want to invest with any company, then check whether that company has proper license of doing financial activities or not. In UAE, we have SCA, Securities and Commodity Authorities, who are the regulators of financial markets, securities, commodities, virtual assets, and any listed company who are eligible for financial activities across 7 emirates in the UAE. Separate to SCA jurisdiction, there are 2 more financial free zone authorities, that is ADGM, Abu Dhabi Global Market, and DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center. So check before investing that company is registered with at least one of these 3 authorities. If you want to know how to check whether the company has the license or not, I have given few links in the description. You can check it later. Second, never give your money in others' hands. Meaning, keep flow of money, that is deposit and withdrawal, from your own account instead of giving or transferring money to anyone else. When you give your money to anyone else for investment, then there is a risk associated with it that they can go defaulters. Then how will you recover your money from them? Instead, ask that person to open your account with the registered broker or licensed company and link that account directly with your bank account so that you can see where your money is invested, and if they redeem the asset on your behalf, then money will come directly to your bank account. If you are dealing with any investment advisor, ask them to manage your portfolio for a nominal commission or a fixed charges. This way your money remains under your control and your assets are secured with the authorities. Now third, understand the stock market cycle. Let me show you S&P 500 price returns on different time frames. Although there are no guarantee in stock market, but this 10% average return held remarkably steady for a long time. So what kind of return can investors expect from stock market today? The answer depends a lot on what happened in the recent past. But here is the simple rule of thumb. The higher the recent returns, lower the future returns, and vice versa. If you want to make money in stock market, here are 3 simple tips. Stay calm, don't get too excited when market is doing well. Stay positive and hopeful when market is doing poorly. You will only get average return if you buy a stock and then hold them for a long term. Now let's move on to our 4th point, international diversification. Recently, many investors are turning into international diversification. There are so many ways to diversify your portfolio, including asset class, industries, or country. Usually, we spread our money in different asset class or industry. But the good thing about living in UAE, you can invest across the world from here. Investing internationally can protect your portfolio from local market downturn and allow you to benefit from the growth of other regions. This strategy isn't about capturing ups and downs. It's also about capturing growth in new market, benefits from currency changes, and investing in industry that might not be big in your country. It requires careful planning to match your investment goals. I will explain this strategy in detail in separate video. Now let's move on to our 5th and last point. That is, know yourself, whether you are a trader or investor. Many people start as investors but become traders often leading to losses. Define your financial goals, invest accordingly. For short-term goals, like which you have to achieve in 3 to 5 years of duration, invest in fixed return asset for these short-term goals. And keep horizon of long-term, that is 7 to 10 years, to get the benefit of compounding in stock market. Understand your risk tolerance and don't put your all money in one asset type. Spread it out, but don't overdo it. Find a balance. If you want me to look into your portfolio and monitor it monthly or quarterly, then we have membership on our channel which you can go and check it out. We will connect face to face twice every month to check on the progress and to rebalance your portfolio. Try it for a few months. If you like it, then continue. That's it, friends. Keep yourself safe from such scam schemes and invest in knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Happy investing.